In this video, we are going to revise coal resources in Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. First is Satpura coal field, Gondwana basin. Location is northern Chhindwara, Betul district. Hilly areas extend to Narsimpur, Narmadapuram. Sub-regions is northern and southern Satpura slopes. Valley of Pench, Kanan, Tawa rivers. Key features: only non-Damodar Valley with coking coal. Metallurgical in Tawa and Kanan valleys. Sub coal field. Kanan Valley is coal field. Location: northwest of Chhindwara city, rail connected. Sub areas: Damua, Kalichapar, Dhorwani, Nimkheda, Panara, Jinod. Datla, Jamai and Hingna Devi. Importance: high due to coal reserve. Pench Valley coalfield. Location: part of Kanan. Layer from Barki to Chandmeta. Parashia to Pench. Other areas: Gajegaon, Retia, Sirgora. New layers found. History: mining started in 1934. Key MP coal producer. Payakheda coalfield. Location: Betul district. Coal quality: low moisture, highest. Operation 7 active mines. Power link supplies Sarani thermal plant. Tawa Valley's coalfield. Sahapur coalfield. Location: Betul, Narmadapuram, Tawa River Valley. Status: fragmented into small blocks. Negligible productions, inadequate surveys. Mohpani coalfield. Location: northern slope of Satpura. Coal quality: high moistures. Status: production close for long term. Coal production challenges: contribution 60 to 70% of MP's total minerals production. Issues: poor transport, lack of modern technology, must no scientific service, unskilled labor. Solution: needed quick fixes for energy capacity boost. Coal mining companies 2017 to 18. 2023-24, NCL leads with 70% shares. Northern Coalfield Limited, NCL, maximum production in Siliguri district. Western Coalfield Limited, WCL, Chhindwara and Betul. South Eastern Coalfield Limited, SECL, Shahdol, Anuppur, Amaria. Minerals Resources Department. Role: promotes industrial growth via minerals exploration, production, conservation, follow laws. Key bodies: Geological Survey of India, GSI, and MP State Mining Corporation under the department. MP State Mining Corporation Limited, established in 1962, headquarters Bhopal, 13 offices, Jabalpur, Katni. Regional offices: Jabalpur, Indore, Rewa, Gwalior. Diamond Office, Panna. District units: all district under collectors. Commercial Bhopal. Director Board, maximum 12 members, MDSCO. Key minerals policies. New Mineral Policy 2010, based on National Mineral Policy 2008. Goals: scientific and systematic use, sustainable development, environmental protection. MP Minor Mineral Rules 1996 applies all minor minerals except specified sand gravel. Schedule 31 minor minerals notified February 13, 2018. Leases: government private land. MP Sand Mining Rules 2019. It enters by district collectors, earlier by MP Mining Corporation. Covers mining, transport, storage sale. Other policies: sand mining policies 2015 to 2017-18. MP Minerals Illegal Mining Prevention Rule 2006. First mineral policy in 1995. Next is key milestone: 1948 Electricity Act in force, 1953 first thermal plant Nepanagar, 1982 MP Energy Development Corporation established. Shakti Bhavan Jabalpur Power Board headquarter. Energy classification: traditional, non-renewable, coal, oil, energy gas limited, commercial coal and non-commercial firewood. Next is non-traditional renewable: solar, wind, biomass, hydro, ocean thermal, unlimited, eco-friendly, bioavailability. Renewable wind, solar, tidal, geothermal. Non-renewable coal and oil gas. Gas-based. GAIL Green Hydrogen Plant, Vijaypur, Guna, 10 megawatt, 4.3 ton per day. S2 updated. Bhandet Datia gas to solar conversion, 342 megawatt proposed. Chandni, Nepanagar first in 1953, closed now. Bundelkhand Barai Chhatarpur 2640 megawatt under construction. Dada Dhoni wale. Goradia Khandwa 1600 and Malwa thermal. Importance: cheap, unlimited, multipurpose irrigation, flood control fees, non-polluting industrial aid, rural electrification. Nuclear power, Chutka Mandla, 1400 megawatt, 2 into 700 under construction. Bhimpur, Sivpuri, 2800 megawatt proposed. Non-conventional energy, MP renewable capacity 9388.93 megawatt, 8th in India. Solar 4050.99 megawatt, 4th, 8.2% national. Wind 2848.29 megawatt, 7th. Small hydro 123.7 megawatt, 13th. Biopower 134.94 megawatt, 8th. Milestone: First Park Rajgarh, first solar city Sanchi 8 megawatt, first solar airport Indore, first solar kitchen village Bacha village Betul, first solar plant Kasturba Gram Indore 80 kilowatt, first solar phone exchange Shivpuri. Wind energy policy 2012, first policy came in 2012. First policy came in 1995. First policy came in 1995. There was Jam Godrani. There is famous policy. Current policy running from 2012. Key areas: Devas, Ratla, Mandsaur, Betul, Badwani, Dhar, Sadapur. Joint Corporation MP Wind Farms Limited, first in India. Recent Adani 325 megawatt Dhar 2023. Biomass energy policy 2012. First village plant Kashai Betul 2005. Key plants Rice Husk Dhar 0.59 megawatt Indore Balanghat. Bagasi Katwa Khandwa Urban Waste Bhopal Indore. Largest Bio CNG Dev Goradia Indore. First commercial S2 from biomass Khandwa. 1 ton per day 2024. Biogas plant more than 20,000 subsidy by 20,000 subsidy by government. Renewable energy policies: solar project policy 2012, wind project policy 2012, biomass power policy 2012, small hydro policy 2012, MP renewable energy policy 2022. Here is revision notes. Satpura coalfield, Kanan, Chindwara, Damwa etc. Pench 1934 start. Paikheda, Betul, highest Sarani supply. Tawa negligible, Mohpani closed. Mining construction NCL Singrauli, WCL. Western coalfield Limited Chindwara, Betul, SACL. Southeast Coal Limited. Schedule: thermal plant capacity is 2012. MP Genco Singaji 2520, Sanjay 1340, Satpura 1330, Amarkantak 210, Pench 1320, NTPC Vindhyachal 4760, Gadarwara 1600, Private Shasan 3960, Reliance. First Chandni 1953. Challenges: transport tech lag. Hydro plants capacities: Indra Sagar 1000, Omkareshwar 520, Gandhi Sagar 115, Bargi 90. Joint Bharat Sagar 425, MP UP, Pench 160, MP MH, Sardar Sarovar 1450, MP 57%. First MP Bargi 1999. Benefits: cheap, multi-purpose, clean. Nuclear Chutkamandla 1400 and Bhimpur Sipuri 2800. Capacity 9388 megawatt 8th in India. Solar 4050 megawatt 4th. Wind 2844 megawatt 7th. Solar Park Riva 750, Morena 1400, Omkareshwar Floating 600. First Park Rajgarh, City Sanchi, Airport Indore. Wind areas Dewas, Ratlam first 1995 Dewas. Biomass first plant Kasai Vetul 2005. S2 plant Khandwa 2024. Policies renewable 2022. Urja Nigam 1992. Energy consumption 2023-24. Irrigation more than domestic. This is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that this kind of videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.